Hey lovelies, welcome to another tutorial. So today we will be making a turban with lace material. Make sure you like, enjoy and subscribe. So this is the base. I already made the base of the turban, okay? And the fabric I use here is lace material, like all those soft sample lace, okay? This was made to match a kaftan dress, okay? We have a ready to wear line on Instagram called Bloom by Our Culture, okay? So this was made to match the dress that we have already made, okay? So I'm going to show you what the dress looks like in a while, but for now, so this is going to be, we are going to use the cutout from the fabric, okay? So the cutout is matching. The purpose of this is the black turban is the exact material that we use for the kaftan, you can see. And also the gold and black material was cut out from the lace that was used on the kaftan, okay? So we are going to be using this cutout to design our turban, okay? So the first thing you need to do is cut out your circle or your shape, your applique from the lace in any quantity that you want, okay? This doesn't really have a specific quantity because this was made with leftover material. So the first thing you need to do is you need to take your needle and thread and start gathering it, okay? Just gather it the way you see I'm doing. So as you're gathering, attaching like 4-5 together. So you're going to do this and keep doing it. So once you do, you see what I'm doing. Just watch what I'm doing. All right, watch what I'm doing. You will see that this is just creating like a ruffle or like a gathered ruffle, whatever you want to call it, okay? Sometimes you have to step out of the common and the usual design that everybody see around. There is a lot you can do with turban that is so different and that is applicable to you, to your design, without following what everybody want to do, okay? So this is what you have here. You can see what it is. This is simple, and you know all those Rich Aunty vibe. This is what it is that you are making. You have a turban that is matching your outfit, and it's simple. It's not all over the place. It's not loud. It's classy. So you are going to put it on the turban base, as you can see me do. And also if you feel that you needed to add more of this ruffle, so you see me, I keep adding and I keep gathering it back to fill up the space, okay? Just keep doing that. Also, I want to take this opportunity to tell you that we have a beginner and intermediate class, 1 month turban class, okay? And it's going for 10,000 naira. All right, so if you are interested and you want to register, use the number and the WhatsApp on the number on the screen. That's our WhatsApp line, so you can get across to us and we join the group. So in that class, you're going to learn how to make all kinds of headwear from the scratch. So we are assuming that you are a beginner, and people who are not a beginner can also start because can also join. So you will learn other things. So back to the class, you can see what I'm doing. So I needed to fill up more so that it can be full. So the remaining leftover that I have here, which is about 4 pieces or there about 3 pieces, you can see that I'm gathering it the way I did the previous one. So this doesn't have a special method. Just do it the way I'm doing, or you just create your own concept from what you can see me do. Look at any of the space that is looking scanty, add it to it and attach it down. This kind of turbans, you need to not use glue, okay? You have to use your needle and thread. You learn to tack, okay? Don't just look for shortcuts. So cut out any thread and you can see our turban is ready. It is simple, it is classy, and then make sure you practice this, okay? You can use even a plaque. See you in the next one. Ciao.